if there is one thing, Mike, one thing that I'm just going to push this a little bit further for the sake of all our audience that's watching this right now. If there's one thing anybody can actually ramp up, all right, their profile visibility. All right, there's one thing. I know there's probably like a dozen things that anyone can do, but there's just one thing. What would you recommend a person to do immediately today on the profile so that they can actually increase more visibility and it's going to make a better first time impression on other people that's viewing their profile?
Right. So what I would say is it's more than one thing, right?
Yeah.
But your profile is that one, that one important thing, right?
Yeah.
And what I like to do is to deconstruct what I like to see first, right? And I use it to confirm with people around me. I'll ask them, when you look at a person's profile, right, what is the first thing you look at? So they usually tell me profile picture, your cover photo, your headline, your profile summary, and your name, right? Some people even say your name. And these are the 5 things that most people look at. So if you have to sort out anything within your profile, I would say it's these 5 things. And in fact, this is what I've written about. I've written a guide which is downloadable at my website. It's called 5 critical profile elements that will increase your visibility on LinkedIn. Yes.
All right. In fact, I had a chance to download that guide, and I would say that he has like 90% of the things that I've never thought about it before. In fact, I personally went to amend some of the things that are not so desirable on my own LinkedIn profile accordingly to the guide that I have received from you. Now, obviously, this video is all about how to increase our visibility and make that real connection with people on LinkedIn, which we know that is a very different social media platform as compared to Instagram, Facebook, and all other things out there, right? So if any one of you who is interested to really increase your visibility on LinkedIn, now Mike, tell me a little bit, tell us a little bit about what is the thing that you have for us over here.
So I've written a guide, which is the 5 critical profile elements to increase your visibility on LinkedIn. So you can go onto my website. My website is coachmikelee.com, coachmikelee.com. This is where you can download my this guidebook on how to increase your visibility. So I dive deep into these 5 elements, right? Your cover photo, your profile photo, your name, your profile summary, and your headline. So these 5 things. So I've provided some examples and some templates on how you can, just tweak your profile to increase that visibility. Because at the end of the day, your LinkedIn is almost like a SEO platform as well, right? It's like Google. When you do a search, you want to have certain keywords that you want to be known for. In fact, one other reason why you should be on LinkedIn and have an updated profile, when you search your own name, it is most likely that your LinkedIn profile will pop up above most other websites that have you on it, right? Above Facebook, above your personal website for most people.